Welcome back, everyone. Connie with BootUp, and I want to talk about my Dancing Dinosaur with Microbit project today. This is a great project for fifth graders. My Dancing Dinosaur and Microbit project is combining two of my favorite things, Scratch and the Microbit. To do that, I need a code music on my Microbit. I am going to find a basic piano YouTube tutorial to help me out. I need something that's a single hand because on my microbit I can only code one hand at a time playing the piano. I'm going to then go to my microbit MakeCode app and I am going to create something like this. I am going to use blocks from the music drawer. The block that I will use the most is the play tone middle C. When you bring that over and click on the middle C, you'll have a piano just like the one from YouTube. I can then choose which key that I want to play and how long that note should play based on the YouTube video. I'm going to make sure this is play until done for each one of my notes. I'm going to continue doing this until I have coded my entire song. Once my song is completely coded, I'm going to make sure I download that to my microbit. That way I can record it in Scratch. Now here's my project page in Scratch. I am going to go inside and show you my code. To upload my sound, I am going to click on the Sound tab. When I do that, I will go down to the sound icon and I will choose Record Sound. I will click Record and I will make sure my microbit is close to my computer speaker to record all of my music. Once I'm done, I'm going to make sure that I change the name at the top so I know this is my Jurassic Park microbit music. In the code editor, you'll go to the sound drawer, find play sound until done, drag that to the code editor, add it to the blocks when you want your music to play, click on the drop down and choose the music you just recorded. We can't wait to see what you create.